Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we convert our data into a PDF format. To convert our data into a PDF format, what I'll do is I'll just go here, just click on print. If I click here on print, as you can see, the data is coming in two sheet. To convert this into a single sheet, what I'll do is I'll just click here, scale to fit. As you can see, now my data is in a single sheet and I can select landscape mode also and portrait. I'll select here portrait, and what I'll do is I'll just click here PDF. If I click here PDF, you can see now my data is asking me that how in what name I want to give the title. So I'll give employee y data. Just click here on desktop. I'll give the path to desktop. I'll just save in downloads only. I'll just save here. As you can see, now my data is in a PDF format. This is the way you can convert your data into a PDF format. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.